Hi, everybody, and welcome to Reading with Mrs. Wendell. I'm Ann Wendell, and I'm a reading teacher at MLK Middle School. If you've been in any of my reading classes over the years, I really miss you. And if you're just joining us, welcome. Okay, so I'm going to bring up our slideshow. Okay, and there it is. This is SRA Corrective Reading, and it is for anyone in grades 4, 5, middle school, high school, and adults. It's designed to correct any skill that you may or may not have learned in your 4 years of school. So we are doing level B2, lesson 20. Level B2 is the pink book, and we're going to start on lesson 20 because it has a really good story called Hern the Wolf that everybody likes a lot. We're also going to learn a new vowel pattern and review some vowel rules. If you know these rules already and the words and the story are way too easy, then you might want to try our level C video. If you've never heard of this and you're lost and confused, then you might want to try level B1. But if you know most of this, or you think, oh yeah, I get this, I just didn't know it had a rule with it, then you're in the right place. Okay, so I'm going to stop the slideshow for a minute so I can talk about puns. A pun is a joke that's funny because of the multiple meanings of words. So for example, one pun is, first person says, is your refrigerator running? Second person says, yes. First person says, well, then you better go catch it. That's funny because of the multiple meanings of running. What's one meaning of running? What's another meaning of running? Yes, so running means to move really fast with your legs, but it also means for an engine to be working. Okay, so today's pun is, what did the reading book say to the math book? That answer is going to come at the end of our video. We're going to go back to the slideshow. And here it is. Today's lesson, we're going to review vowel rules 1, 4, and 5. All the vowel rules are here in the video, so they are there for you anytime you want to look at them, or you can write them down to have at home. Okay, look at vowel rule number 1. When a vowel is followed by a consonant, it is short. What are the vowels again? Yes, A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. What are consonants again? Yes, any letters that aren't vowels. In our first word, what's the vowel? Yes, A. Is it followed by a consonant? Yes, N. So the A makes a short sound. What is the short A sound? Yes, it's A, as in apple. So what's this word? Yes, pant. Next word? Yes, match. Next word? Yes, later. Next word? Yes, gander. A gander is a male goose. And what's this word? Yes, cash. Okay, so now we're going to make a different pattern. We're going to take away the first letter and change it to a W. When the W is there, the A doesn't make the sounds ah anymore. And this word is not went. The A makes the sound ah and the word is want. What is this word? Yes, want. Okay, and what's this word? Yes, watch. What word is this? Yes, water. What word? Yes, wander. What word? Yes, wash. Okay, now we're going to look at the next exercise. These words use the vowel rules that we have already learned. So look at the underlined letters in the first word, you are. What rule does you are follow? It follows rule number 5, which says that when a vowel is followed by R, the R bullies the vowel into changing its sound. So the R makes the U say The sound is so the word is hern. In our next word, the letters make the sound ow, as in out. So the sound is ow, and the word is mouth. In the next word, it follows rule number 5 again. When the vowel is followed by R, what happens? Yes, the R makes the vowel say what it wants it to. In this case, it says The sound is and the word is ferns. Next word. What's the rule? Yes, the R makes the A make a different sound, so the sound is R and the word is sharp. Okay, now in our last word, we are looking at vowel rule number 4, which says when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So here we have an A and an I. The first one is the A, and that's the one that does the talking. So A, I together say A. The sound is A, and the word is air. Okay, now we're ready to do this exercise. We're going to look at the words one by one. I'm going to ask you what the sound is, and then I'm going to ask you what the word is. And you're going to answer on the signal. Okay, first word. What sound? Yes, What word? Yes, hern. Next word. What sound? Yes, ow. What word? Yes, mouth. Next word. What sound? Yes, What word? Yes, ferns. Next word. What sound? Yes, R. What word? Yes, sharp. Next word. What sound? Yes, A. What word? Yes, air. Okay, now we're going to try the next line. Okay, so in this line, first word, what sound? Yes, all. What word? Yes, also. Next word, what sound? Yes, E. What word? Yes, breathing. Next word, what sound? Yes, What word? Yes, hurled. Next word, what sound? Yes, What word? Yes, fur. Okay, good job. That can be tricky. Now we're going to do the rest and we're going to try it a little faster. Okay, so first word, what sound? Yes, What word? Yes, would. What sound? Yes, ow. What word? Yes, crouched. What sound? Yes, A. What word? Yes, faith. What sound? Yes, What word? Yes, cert. What sound? Yes, O. What word? Yes, poach. What sound? Yes, What word? Yes, jerk. What sound? Yes, ow. What word? Yes, ouch. What sound? Yes, shh. What word? Yes, slashed. Okay, great. This next section has words that don't follow the rules, or else they follow vowel rules that we haven't covered yet. So this time I'm going to say the word and then you repeat it after me. So it's going to sound like this. First word, beware. What word? Next word, accept. What word? Okay, got it? We're going to keep going. All right. Next word, dead. What word? Next word, adult. What word? Next word, toward. What word? Next word, wrong. What word? Next word, clause. What word? Next word, both. What word? Next word, stiff. What word? Next word, to. What word? Next word, knowing. What word? Next word, clover. What word? Next word, against. What word? Next word, forward. What word? Next word, snapped. What word? Next word, sniffed. What word? Next word, wolves. What word? Next word, safe. What word? Next word, fixed. What word? Next word, battled. What word? Next word, happened. What word? Next word, sister. What word? Next word, smelled. What word? Next word, peered. What word? Next word, neck. What word? Next word, paw. What word? Next word, growl. What word? Next word, rabbits. What word? Next word, floor. What word? Next word, howled. What word? Okay, great job. Give yourself a pat on the back. Okay, now we are going to read the story, Hern the Wolf. I'm going to read the first section while you follow along. Hern the Wolf. Hern was sleeping when it happened. Hern didn't hear the big cat sneak into the cave that Hern called his home. Suddenly, Hern was awake. Something told him, beware. His eyes turned to the darkness near the mouth of the cave. Hern felt the fur on the back of his neck stand up. His nose, like noses of all wolves, was very keen. It made him very happy when it smelled something good. But now it smelled something that made him afraid. Hern was 5 months old. He had never seen a big cat. He had seen clover and ferns and grass. He had even eaten rabbits. Okay, so it said that Hern's nose was very keen. Keen means very accurate. You can have keen eyesight or keen hearing, or even a keen sense as to when it's about to rain. And it said that Hern ate clover and ferns. What do you think they have in common? Yes, if you said that they are both plants or both green plants, or they are both the kind of food that herbivores would eat, all those are good answers. Okay, here are some questions for you. What kind of animal is Hern? Where does the story take place? What awoke Hern? How old was Hern? Okay, Hern is a wolf. The story takes place in a cave. He smelled something that made him afraid. That's what awoke him. He was 5 months old. The story says he had never seen a big cat. What is that, a big cat? If you said something like a leopard or a bobcat or a panther, any of those is good. A big cat is anything that's bigger than a house cat and really dangerous. Okay, now this section you're going to read on your own. You can read it out loud or silently. Pause the video, and when you're done, I'm going to ask some questions. Okay, pause it and read now. Okay, done with that part? Here are your questions. Who was in the cave with Hearn? Yes, his sister Surt. Where had Hearn's mother gone? Yes, hunting. Had she come back? No. How are the ears of puppy wolves different from the ears of adult wolves? Yes, the ears of puppy wolves only stand up partway. The ears of adult wolves stand up all the way. Now, in your opinion, why do you think that Hearn was trying to make his ears stand up? Well, I would think that he's trying to make himself look older and bigger and fiercer and maybe scare the cat away. Okay, now pause the video again and read the next section. Okay, done with that? Here are your questions, and remember, you can go back and look for the answers anytime you need to. What sound did Hearn hear? Yes, the sounds of a padded paw. How big was the cat? Yes, bigger than Hearn's mother. How far was the cat from Hearn and his sister? Yes, about 6 feet. Okay, I'm going to read the next section while you follow along. Hearn tried to back away, but he felt the hard rock of the cave against his back. He could go back no farther. Surt was curled next to Hearn. Without knowing why he did it, Hearn showed his teeth and began to growl. He snapped at the air as if to scare the cat away. The cat stopped for an instant, but then it started to come toward the puppies again. Suddenly, something dashed into the cave. It growled and it slashed at the cat. It was Hearn's mother. She had come back to her puppies. She hurled herself at the cat. The cat spun across and met with sharp claws. Bits of fur floated in the air as the mother wolf battled the cat. So it said she hurled herself at the cat. Hurl means to throw really hard. So she threw herself at the cat. Okay, here are your questions. Who came into the cave? Yes, Hearn's mother. What did the cat and Hearn's mother do? Yes, they fought. Who left the cave after the fight? Yes, the big cat. Now, pause the video and you read the last section. Wow, that's sad. What do you think Hearn and Surt are going to do now without their mother? What happened to the mother wolf? Yes, she died. What killed her? Yes, the cat. Okay, here are some questions about the story for you to answer. You can look back anytime through the story, write your answers down on a piece of paper, and then you can check your answers. Pause the video now and do that. Okay, are you done? Check to see if you're right. Pause the video and check. And then we'll go back to our pun. Remember, we want to know what the reading book said to the math book? Wow, you have a lot of problems. Okay, it was great having you here today. I really enjoyed it. Visit us at lesson 21 to see how Hearn and Cert deal with their life without their mother. Bye-bye. See you next time.